The media was asking me about your...
Ma'am, we would like to acknowledge that today because many of our people here in Baguio, President, in behalf of the people of Baguio, maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor Bautista, Baguio City. Makakasama po niya si Governor Nestor Fongwan, Mayor Bautista, Mike Arroyo. Simula na po na Rachel Coliwan, Maliona, Jovita Maliona, Mario Posidio, Marlon Lumaad, Marlene Lumaad, Robert Panelo, Jennifer Fuertes, Marivic Freza, Nati Castañeda, Estela Egme, Marvin Juan, Aurelio Aquino, Digna Ibal, Florencia Gerlan, Dalen Dalupan.
Thank you and Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam President.